Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on these stocks. So you could clearly see Reliance is going up after its retracement phase, and so does the index is going up because of the Q2 results. And IV is also slowly moving from 11 to 12, which is very good. Okay, we'll discuss starting with our Reliance. So I'm going to discuss only for November month. So November month, you could clearly see the resistance is gone, and then again it hits 1525, which becomes our new resistance. Then you could clearly see support 1 and support 2, and it is the stats for day 13. So already first half of the month is over. So now from here the decay will be very fast for the OTMs. Now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank, still in the range for November month. Now ICICI, which has done a very good up move from the support, you could clearly see here. Okay, now we'll have more data. We'll begin with the OI. Okay, so we'll see both open interest as well as the change in open interest. First we'll focus on Reliance. So here is the Reliance chart where the max open interest is built at 1500, which acts as a straddle and strangle point, and then you can see the new resistance is at 20. Okay, now when you check for change for today, there's a profit booking at 1500. That's why prices were going up. Now back to HDFC Bank and open interest total. So here you could clearly set 1000 as being a straddle point, strangle point, as well as the resistance. The lower straddle points are 90 as well as 80. When you check for today's data, so you could see a fair share of profit booking has already happened here. Now back to open interest, we will check ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank open and straddle, open interest stats, where 1400 has the max straddle point, strangle point, and resistance, and the straddle point here is 50. So 50 is consistent with last month also. And you check in change, so fair amount of profit booking has happened here also. Okay, I'll do a live comparison of straddle charts, whether it was a long straddle or short straddle day. We'll find out. So I'll begin with our Reliance. So I'll keep just today's chart so that we'll have no confusion here. So you could see it's an inverted V-shaped recovery for Reliance. So here Reliance, when you check for OTM, so you could see the profit booking in the change in OI. So here 35 328, so almost similar. So yeah, it's getting to its breaking point now, where it could become sideways. Okay, so when you check for open is 1500. When you check for the long straddle or short straddle, it's a long straddle day, clearly you could see it. Okay, so now we will check for HDFC Bank. So here is HDFC Bank. When you check for open, 90 is the open. OTM 20 and 7, still not convincing, but yeah, it is still sideways. So it is a short straddle day. So you could see one was long straddle, other one was short straddle day. Now we'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank OTM status 49 and 15. So still resistance is pretty high for ICICI Bank, where open stands at 60, which is the close as well for today, and the straddle point. So it was no loss, no profit day. So that's it. Thank you.